These are some of the migrants stuck in transit, unable to reach their destination or get back home because of the coronavirus pandemic. DIMANCHE is a Syrian national who's been stranded in the Kenyan capital Nairobi for the past 3 months. He was put in this hotel together with other migrants by the UN's International Organization for Migration, but only after completing a mandatory 14-day quarantine period.
There's nothing we can do but be patient. Coronavirus has shut everything down. We have been treated well though and taken good care of by the United Nations.
BOUBACAR, a Senegalese fisherman, was on his way home from Seychelles when the Kenyan government announced the lockdown measures. With his vacation time already spent here, he dreads any further delays.
I just hope they don't extend the lockdown so our ordeal can come to an end. I really don't want to lose my job.
According to the International Organization for Migration, tens of thousands of migrants are stranded across Africa. In Djibouti, hundreds have been abandoned by traffickers in a country with one of the worst coronavirus outbreaks in the continent. The agency says it's providing many with financial support, food, clothing, shelter, and other essential relief. However, it says there is a limit to what it can do and urges governments to assist and protect stranded migrants. The International Organization for Migration says some of those measures adopted by governments to stop the spread of COVID-19 are having an impact on migrants. It says most of those stranded in foreign countries have no access to work, making them vulnerable to exploitation.
They're from different parts of the world.
It's now calling for the establishment of humanitarian corridors to help people cross international borders in a timely and dignified manner.
There are discussions underway to ensure that you open up humanitarian space for all different categories of migrants that are coming into Kenya or who remain stranded in Kenya. So it's very important to ensure that we open the airspace, especially for humanitarian purposes.
Aid workers say COVID-19 has exposed migrants as the most marginalized people during this crisis. They also fear migrant rights might be curtailed because they've been blamed in some places as carriers of the disease and maligned by politicians and media alike. Mohammed, Adow, Jazeera, Nairobi, Kenya.
Well, in part 3 of our series, our Latin America editor, Lucia Newman, will be reporting from Chile, where border closures have left thousands of people from across the region stranded. That'll be on Monday, right here, of course, on Al Jazeera.